Hello, hello to everyone of us. Good evening, good evening. I just come from the mall of Chatraya. That is first, second, I think third times we go already. So Madam, she buy this one for us, including me, because I have socks here. Okay, so once again, I say thank you. Thank you very much to all subscribers, to all supporters, to all viewers, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, and to the different people that you are supported of my YouTube, of my small YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And some of them that you are making scroll or watching in the YouTube, I wish that you notice of my old videos, and if you have planned to watch, or if you like it to watch my old videos, my short videos that you can find in the YouTube channel, in the YouTube apps, subscribe, share, likes, and comments. Thank you, and thank you very much. And now I want to see again that what I have now. Thank you. I'm just, of course, I'm working, so as a housemaid here in Baghdad, Iraq. So I'm very lucky also because I have a madam, both sides of madam and sir, that supported of me in my daily life here. It's open arms and open-minded that they are willing everything, not everything, some that I need, that they will support also to me. This one is me and Sisi. Sisi, she has a new jacket already, and I bought already. I remember some. This one is for the color. I removed already because I want to. The smell, it's go out. This one is the cologne of Celine for the school. It's for the school because it's old already. Yes, as a cologne, it's old already. You see, it's for Sisi. And she thank you for Madam for giving us. And she has a new sweatshirt. It's the same color of the jacket tomorrow. I can make it at one to see. She choose because there is Korome. What is Korome? Oh, hello Kitty and friends daw. They are friends together pala. It's very nice. And here's my socks for the winter. Socks the long one. Because if we go out, it's cold, and hair if I'm cleaning also. And I make Madam she buy what's that, like this one for the fish. Sometimes I don't know, and I don't really remember na what's the name that one. Ano ba yun? Yung pang ganun. Ay. So she's buying with some items for her fish, for her personal needs. So I buy also brown for my eyebrow. And buy two socks. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. That I have also for me. Okay, so thank you very much. And also is the plastic of the sarin or the kulun. And this one is coming. Yeah, for sale. Always that one, always. It's like, this one is like iPad that they can stand while they are making drawing. I think it's all right. And sticker, there is sticker. She has a lot of this one talaga. the small bugs that is from Madam in his work. I put already. We go out and brown out na. Nagbagot-but si Sir because nag-brown out. It's quickly to brown out already. Okay, so what I do, it's brown out. So I see bye-bye na. Because it's brown out already. Okay,